Hey guys, this is JR Cardenas, and this is Day at the Range. This is Day at the Range. Today we're going to be testing Blazer 22 ammo, 22 long rifle. This is a 40 grain, and let's see how it shoots. Hey guys, this is JR Cardenas. Now, my reviews on the 22 long rifle from Blazer. That product is made by CCI, one of the world's best makers in 22 ammo there is. So, you know, it's shot great, very accurate, not a lot of smoke, no misfeeds, no jams, no stovepipes or anything like that. Rapid fire worked excellent. No jams, just nice and straight, which I like. Very accurate though. I do highly recommend the CCI Blazers, but if you can find them. They're kind of hard to find right nowadays. But guess what? This is Day at the Range.